Good afternoon. This is an amazing machine that we're going to show you about right now that just came into Carns Equipment, the all-new NorthStar. These things are an amazing machine, 4,500 pound pro winch with the auto stop already on it. The NorthStar has features that no other machine out there has. Let me just show you. As you get into the cab, you've got a luxury cab, you've got air conditioning, you've got climate control, you've got heat, you've got ride command, you've got GPS. Honestly, in the industry, this is one of the premier units out there. It has a nice bench seat. It's got an amazing audio system into it, and the doors, when they close, it's like a car door. It's the real deal. Of course, you've got the tilt bed on it. Also allows you full access, heat shielding over top. They have really done their job on that. What I really like, and if you look, it's got a metallic gold flake to it. When you see that in the sunlight, your buddies are just jealous. Of course, the end gate. There are some additional features that you can get. It's got the tie-down hooks in the bed corners already on it. But I'm going to tell you what, you need to stop down, you need to see Samantha, you need to see Thomas, you need to see Kurt, you need to see Derek. This is the machine that will just make your neighbors jealous.